Over the weekend, several reports surfaced that dancehall artist Rygin has been left paralyzed after he was shot by gunmen late in June, guys. Yo, what that a trend? Oh, the trend did dancehall. Wagwan peeps, so back with another video. Please consider subscribing all new viewers and click the notification bell to not miss out. Yeah man, Wagwan peeps. So over the weekend, speculations are going around say Rygin in a wheelchair, paralyzed, yeah. But guess what? The management team of the Tough Singer has dismissed these claims and have called on fans and onlookers to stop spreading rumors and false speculation as he pray. So the DJ is not paralyzed. As he pray, I cannot go into specifics about his medical conditions, but the DJ is responding favorably to treatment, and he has tingling in his legs, and he is feeling and responding to stimulus in his lower legs and extremities. A source of close to the 25-year-old DJ told the Jamaican Observer. We want people to stop spread rumors though on the DJ, is it? And speculations about the DJ health in this time. Is he pray? So that them added. So with that said, guys, I just want to know that this will take place right here. So Rygin, whose real name is Matthew Smith, who was shot and seriously injured by Gvnman on June the 28th, as in his entourage stopped in Westmoreland after a car in the group sustained damage in an accident. So that kind of was a setup. We all know that, guys. Eyewitness said that while the entourage was attending to the vehicle, a car drove up and Gvnman shot at the bystanders, which included Rygin. As they pray, so looked like that was a bait at the time for the dog coming out of the car, guys. So Rygin was one of the 3 people who were shot at that time in the incident. He was rushed to emergency surgery in Savala Lamar Hospital while his girlfriend Sasha Lee Blackwood died. Well, them say I manage a girlfriend still, so continuing. The DJ was airlifted a few days later to Falmouth Public General Hospital. Is it? So that was transferred to the 3rd undisclosed hospital after his team believed that his safety was compromised at the Falmouth. So a whole 3 times the DJ moved as they pray. So them said that security concerns and wanted to not only ensure his safety but his recovery process would go smoothly with access top-notch doctors and his road to recovery. In a statement released last week on Instagram, Rygin and his team sent heartfelt thank you message to the fans as well wishers for their prayers and positive thoughts. He also thanked the dedicated professionals that all came to his aid during what has become a toilsome road to recovery. So King added, I will go through this ordeal and I can take the next step that comes along with the Most High by my side. My fans show support and I am going to make them proud. Just know one king soon step out. So that are the last time people can say, oh, a Rygin do that, cause when you check your level upon him page, he make that post, so that did kinda direct, so like say I'm gonna recover the people them for just build back on, and stop spread rumors and things. Is a brief audience. So comment down below, tell me the perspective on what I want. You know the style.
Every time I feel can't do no different. Swear me have a win. That's why
So we're 2 lovely Jamaican female artists, Jada Kingdom and Shenseea, is finally officially friends. Yeah, so yeah man, people are supposed to know that. So them two artists I never did good, great, good, anything you want to call it, you see me. Besides that, them war already, as in lyrically, musically, you see me, but it look good for see. So then put certain things aside as grown-ups and set some ups and come together. Cause when I check it level, it's good for them in enough ways, you see me, cause that look good, man, you see me. Yeah, plus, it's a trend that's set, that's right, that's see them, show people how they see them, no matter what, you are a person like that, same way, you can come to an agreement and mediation, you see me. Yeah. So, pick up themselves, you see me. So, I'm showing them the file. Show themselves and follow them each other. Cause they will follow them each other right now on Instagram. So that even verify everything, you see me. Yeah, so that really a gone. So big up on yourself as usual at the end of the video. This the main topic was Rygin King basically, you see me. So like, comment, share, friend or family.